What is going on? Come on in.
So cold outside.
I know, it's freezing, but that's okay. It's nice and warm in here.
Pretty toasty.
Well, it's actually less toasty than it typically is. Our thermostat is doing its job. It lowers at about 5 degrees during the day. When Jenny and the kids are home, it goes right back up.
You probably save about 5 to 7% on your energy bill, right?
I had no idea it was that much of a savings.
Yeah, it's pretty significant.
Well, come on in the kitchen. I'll show you a couple other things we're doing. You know, and in here, especially during the winter, we've got amazing natural light coming in, so we don't have to use the lights. I mean, I'm just pulling that light from the sun, and it cuts down on my energy bill, which just makes me happy, and it cuts down on the overall energy usage. We're not pulling from the grid, pull from the sun. All right, let's head outside. We hit those lights. You can see my compost bin there in the distance, which is as rudimentary as it gets. But that's the great thing about sustainability. It doesn't have to be really expensive. Everyone can't have something like this, but everyone can have a compost bin, take waste and scraps and let it reuse. I got one more thing to show you. So we use rain barrels wherever we can, take from nature, put it back into our garden, put it back into the plants. Right now, we got a project to build and I need your help in the shop. Sustainability, you know, at least at our farm, it's all about reusing as much as we possibly can. This is kind of your world anyway, because we're gonna do something with monarch butterflies. Like, does this right here, does this ring a bell of what this is?
Yeah, that's the top of a picket fence.
So I'm going to grab some tools and we're gonna get rolling. All right, I got a few tools. You know we're just building a butterfly house here. Let's go. What we just scraped off, this goes around all of our blueberry plants in our gardens.
So it could replace mulch?
It is mulch.
That was pretty easy.
Right in the corner. Snug fit.
Little roof.
Which one are we taking out?
Let's take that one first.
Let's go. So we have a garden over here that is not a garden right now. I want birds and bees and butterflies in my garden, but if I don't build the homes now, they're not gonna know where to come. They'll pollinate my garden and make it successful.
Yeah, that's what they do for you, but we give back to them as well by building a little shelter and ecosystem for them to live and rest, right? And refuel on their path to other farms on their way to their migration.
It's a beautiful story.
Right.
Let's go inside.
It's a little cold.
Talk about maintaining an ecosystem. My heat pumps are doing the job.
That's why it's so toasty in there.
I know, let's get inside.